You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartaches.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, man. And as y'all can see, I got a couple brushes that's dirty, that needs to be clean, man. Not only that, you know, we got these brushes right here that need to be clean. You also got a whole bag full of Durags that need to be clean, man. That's a whole bag full. So today we basically gonna be cleaning our Durags and our brushes, man. You wanna make sure you cleaning your Durags and brushes at least once a month, man. You go on a whole once a month, once every 2 months. It depends, man, but once a month, that's real cool because, boy, I'm telling you, they start smelling and your brushes start collecting all type of dirt, and you've been brushing your hair for a whole entire month, bro. Like, all you gotta do is, you feel me, go crazy and you going crazy in the wave game, and you doing all this, brushing and throwing on different do-rags and all this different stuff, but you're not washing your do-rags and stuff, bro. You gotta wash, you feel me? So we just emptied that bag out, man. I'm about to show y'all how to properly wash your do-rags and brushes today. That's gonna be for today's video, and we're gonna just get right off into it. I know a lot of y'all needed this. This was requested. Someone requested this in the comments in my last video, so I was like, hey, why not? I already was planning on doing one. Why not just do it today? Let's go. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna show y'all how to properly wash it, show y'all all the stuff and steps y'all need. And also another tool we are gonna be using. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna be using just, feel me, a dish soap. It could be a dish soap, it could be a shampoo. It could be a dish soap, or you can use, another thing you can use is detergent. So we're using dish soap. So right now, we're just gonna set the dish soap right there. And we're gonna start out cleaning the brushes, man, just to get that out the way. So we're gonna be using this tool right here. As y'all seen in the other videos, this tool right here is used to clean the brushes. We're gonna use this basically to just, go through, clean the brushes, you feel me? Just basically clean the whole entire brush. So as y'all can see, this one's pretty dirty, even though the wood is coming up a little bit, because I have used this for washing style before when I was heavy woofing. But yeah, man, that's why it's good to not use too much of hot water. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just basically turn that bad boy on like that. We'll have both knobs on like that. Wet that thing. Let me get that in there. Use your fingers to get in there, Then we're gonna use this to pretty much just clean it. You use your fingers, but that's what this tool is used for. As you can see, everything falling off into the sink. But if you don't have this tool, you can use your fingers and just go like that. Oh yeah, and by the way, this tool was given to me. Y'all can also go find this tool. It comes with this brush that I'm giving 35% off with. I don't have the brush on me right now, but I can show y'all the brush so you can get this tool that comes with it when you order the brush. And you get 35% off. I'm gonna have that link down in the description below. And after that, you pretty much just wanna, as I can see, some of the paint did just come off. That's only because this brush was already worn down. This tool, it only scraped it because the brush was already worn down, you know. Then we're gonna set that off to the side and let that dry. We're gonna let that air dry for about 1 to 2 days. That's the only downside. Or you could just blow dry it, but still let it dry for about a day air dry. This one's pretty filthy. Get a little bit of soap in there. Y'all can go in with another coat if y'all feel like it's still a little bit dirty, which I do. So we're gonna just go in with another one. You wanna put your thing in the water sideways like that, so it can avoid the cutting the paint off. Big difference. White bristles now. When they get deep down, let me just go lower. Scrape all that up out of there. Repeat the same process. As I can see, that one bleeding red because that's when I had my hair dyed red. Y'all didn't see that because I didn't like how it came out. You feel me? So I never dropped the video on it. But that's why that's bleeding red. You can even turn it sideways to get in between. That thing's still bleeding red. We're gonna get out one more wash. Just a real thorough wash. Now you don't want to have it under the water for too long, or it's gonna start losing its value. Now we're gonna catch back up with y'all when we got about 2 more brushes to go. We're gonna catch back up with y'all when we got the Durags. Just get them bad boys all in there real quick. It's a lot. Oh yeah, we ain't forgot about y'all either. You know, we keep the exclusive ones in the bag. These exclusive too, but I was just wearing them, so get them all out the bag. New or not, I'm washing them because they all smell the same. Because they was around the other dirty ones, so why not have all of them clean? It's about that time. Feel me? Mix that around real quick, and then we gonna wash them individually. I know y'all probably like, that's not how you do it. But we just getting them all wet real quick and then we gonna wash individually. Oh my God, is that a polyester durag in my collection? Shh, don't tell nobody. Hey, don't tell nobody y'all seen that, man. We're gonna wash them together, then we're gonna spread them apart and wash separately, okay? So don't get to reacting in the comments. Just why not wash them all together? They all dirty. You wasting more time sitting there washing one by one, bro. You got a million durags. You wash that bad boy out. Get the spraying that thing on there. Wash it like it's in a dishwasher, like you in a washer and dryer. Then we gonna rinse them out and then finish them after that. All right, let me stop using this before I get killed. They're gonna kill me for using all this. See how soapy that is? And y'all get to see my durag collection in this video, man. Minus the one I got on. That one new. You can do this in the kitchen sink, the bathroom sink. It's really up to you, man. Look how I'm getting water everywhere. Dirty water. All right, man. Now that they all clean, what it pretty much do is keep washing until everything is literally the suds is super soapy and it's all done and said and done. You know. Now it's time to let them air dry. So you make sure they all untied. You feel me? Your hands gonna look like you've been in the water for a long time, but you really just washing your rags. Feel me? We got this one. Make sure everything is untied. Let me untie everything. Feel me? Untie everything. Black silky. This one's ripped. You see, the one I got on is way better than this one. This is a Red by Kiss. We don't wear those no more. Feel me? Go yard, go yard. Nice velvet. Feel me? Good orange. Good Gucci rag. Other black silky. Good black silky. Now this is when the Red by Kiss upgraded their quality. You feel me? We still wear some Red by Kiss rags. Feel me? Money do rag. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. Two-tone drip, Red by Kiss. Boo-boo cap that's just whoa, whoa out. Just, I don't even know I still got this. Oh yeah, y'all see it. Louis Vuitton. Two-tone drip, Red by Kiss. Red by Kiss before they upgraded their styles. You feel me? How that difference is? When they upgraded their Durag material, it stopped ripping. This is Red by Kiss too. You still rock with Red by Kiss, man. You can't get wrong. Red by Kiss. Red by Kiss. Nice yellow thing. Velvet, Red by Kiss. That's all our Durags are from. Red by Kiss, man. Red by Kiss and 3 Kings merch, man. Y'all want to get any Durags, 3 Kings merch, y'all go in the description below. Get you your Durag and 35% off on a brush. Y'all go to that link too. You feel me? Little blue, little like navy colored. Y'all probably ain't never seen this before. I ain't even pulled that one out yet. Feel me? 3 Kings merch rack. Get these. You feel me? These is the new. I'm gonna show y'all the new Durags that came in too. Feel me? Pink thing. Can't go wrong. Feel me? Another pink thing. Thought I had. That's the only reason why I got 2. Is because the other one I didn't know I had, and I got 2 of them. So we got 2 of them bad things. Laker colors, 2-tone drip. Little Gucci thing. I know y'all remember this one. OGs remember that one. Another one right here. This one from 3 Kings merch. And that's all your boy Durag collection right there, man. Feel me? Got the back. Oh, there go the polyester one again.